do with this one? He's much bigger than the other one. I got some ideas. Oh yes, just lick that all off. There you go. Here, have two. Oh! Oh yes, you like it down there.
Yeah.
Hey there, sexy. Take off your blindfold. I hooked it.
Where am I?
Oh, it's just my cousin's basement. My lab was like trashed. Damn teens don't know when to learn. Don't mind my arm. So wrinkly and stuff, but it's okay. It's okay. You can live. Fuck yeah. There's a glass of milk and a cookie waiting for you. There you go. Gonna go away now. Going away. What the fuck do you think you do? No, just down there. I'm gonna go away. I don't even. Good fight for all. Hi, and welcome to my show. I'm Jigsaw. I know I've killed like 20 people, but I've kept this one. I don't know why, but I think he's my soulmate. You can open your blindfold now. It's okay. You know what? I have a special guest for you, children. I call him Timmy. Say hello, Timmy.
Hi, guys.
Timmy's this little guy's brother. He doesn't know that. This guy can talk. Talk. Help. Don't listen to him. Chew on the wood. Shut up. It's okay.
No.
Now, the story of this show, if you want to kill someone really good, you gotta be gay. Have a nice day, children.
My God.
This is my partner, Nathaniel. He's my partner in crime. I kept him because, I don't know, I thought he was kind of special. And he has that kind of, like, blunt on his face. It's just so sexy. Hi, it's me again, Jigsaw. Again, this is the guy I killed.
Hello, people. Home. I finally can start liking him. He's really nice.
What the fuck? I'm out of here. You know what? I decided. I quit. No. Screw you.